equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a soft brush, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and clean its internal components without causing any damage. First, ensure your HP EliteBook 640G4 is powered off and unplugged. Remove any connected peripherals and place the laptop on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel. Keep the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the back panel is removed, you will see the internal components, including the fan, heatsink, and motherboard. It's essential to handle these parts with care. If you feel uncertain about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert advice before proceeding. Next, use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the fan and heatsink. Hold the can upright and use short bursts to avoid moisture buildup. Be cautious not to spin the fan with the air, as this can cause damage. If you notice significant dust accumulation, a soft brush can help dislodge stubborn particles. After cleaning the fan, turn your attention to the motherboard. Gently blow air around the components, ensuring you don't touch any sensitive areas. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. Once you've completed the cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Align the back panel carefully and replace the screws, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this can strip the threads. Before powering on your laptop, it's a good idea to check for any loose connections or components. If everything looks good, plug in your laptop and power it on. You should notice improved performance and quieter operation after the internal cleaning. If you're unsure about any step in this process or prefer to leave it to the professionals, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Plus, with no calls and no travel required, you can have peace of mind knowing your device is in good hands. In summary, cleaning your HP EliteBook 640G4 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can keep your laptop running smoothly for years to come. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services, ensuring your device receives the care it deserves. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.